This is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Today I'm doing a unboxing, a swatching. So we're just going to jump right into this. This is a sub-company of Modelones called Leaf U. UV LED Gel Polish Collection. This is a new glitter gel collection. We're going to open this baby up. Put that up to the side. Here we have got our dots that come with each collection. Paint them on, put them on top of your bottles. Yep. This also comes with every collection you get. Your English version, your ingredients, your warnings, your product safety, preparing your nails, which is always super important. Make sure before you put any gel polish on you do prep your nails. Push back your cuticles, scrape the, God, what's it called? Oh, what's it called? I'm not gonna remember. Don't have my, oh, here's my tool. Push back your cuticles. Scrape any dead skin here away you've got. Oh, I got a little bit. Looky. I had a little. So do that. But buff the shine off your nails. Use your brush. Clean them off. Or you can even go wash them. Make sure you dry them thoroughly. But do buff the shine off your nails. Put on a base coat, which I've already done on my fake nails here that I'm using. I have used the new it says base coat, enhanced base coat by Leaf U. I've used that on here already on my nail stand. My nails have got prepped and ready to go. But as far as your real paws, always prep your nails. Do not go in unprepped. Polish will not stick very well and will not last very long. Whoopsie. Let me put this one over here. I don't know if they're numbered out of order. No idea. So we've got our 6 colors here. We are going to take our swatching stand, one extra, and we are going to dive in and see what we have. And I just put lotion on it. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to. Ooh, looky there. That's beautiful. Like I said, I just put lotion on some Burt's Bees. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to open this or not. This is really pretty. Really pretty. Got a little bit too much on here, but yeah, I got a lot on here. So we're going to swatch these out, all 6 colors, see what we get into. If you think you got too much on your nail, on the brush, keep wiping them off on your polish bottle. Here we go. There's our first coat of, let me see the back. I don't think there are names. Oh, let me see here. Yeah, they all say the same thing except 1002. I guess, yeah. I don't know if you can see that. That is this one. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to pop this one since it's an individual. Popped it in the I have a dry mouth, so I can't click my tongue like I want to. Hold on. I'm gonna put that one in the lamp for 30 seconds. Here we go. Okay, here is our next culprit. That's really beautiful too. Sorry about the hobble in the bottle. Wipe one side of your brush off real well. Come in, push up towards the cuticle. Oh yeah, this is meant to be a topper. I wasn't prepared for this. I guess I should always be prepared for there to be a topper in the group. This is really pretty though. You could even build this up. You could definitely build this up. That was so pretty. Can you see that sparkling from there? That's beautiful. Had to go nice over a dark color. Like said one here. Whoops. Wait a minute. Ooh. I really don't like when polishes are super thick that you pull them out of the bottom and there's like, I don't know, a strand hanging. I like this color. Love, love, love the color, but it's a little thick. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, we missed some of it. My bad. Make sure you always cover your sides well. Cap your nails just like if it was your regulars. See, we've got that one done. What do you think? That's really pretty, isn't it? I might wear that one. I might wear that. I could see myself wearing this one here. Oh, this looks like a cherry color. Cherry glitter. We'll see here in a minute. Hope I'm in frame doing all this. Feel like I could be off. Let me try to lean forward a little bit. Oh, this is like a blood red glitter. Could be opaque definitely in one coat. That is pretty. It's definitely bright red, isn't it? Like that. I don't know if I can see myself wearing that one. The black one I could. Oh, looky here. I could wear this one too. But let me see. I don't know if you can see. See what I mean? Like where they. I don't like that. It's like they're too thick. Too thick and they're brand new. And I feel like there's just so much product here that this is a beautiful color. Let me see if I can wipe the brush off a little bit here. Spread this out. I don't think we're going to need 2 coats on these. They are opaque in color. Look how beautiful those are. Whoops, I'm sorry. What you doing, Cherie? Those are beautiful. Let's see what our last one is. Ooh-wee. So let's see what we got here. Take this off. This one could be a might get very covered with this one. Brush is a little dry. Oops, shoot. Look at here. Yep, we're gonna fix the black. This is like I thought it was like pink, but I'd call it more like I want to say a rose gold. But I don't care to tell in this light. Put this down so I can check it out properly. My black should be my third bottle in. Yeah, I'm hitting them all. I'm hitting them all. So I'm going to fix the black. Put these in the lamp for 30. Here's our last color. I think it's like, I mean, it is pink, don't get me wrong. What do you think of this light? Yeah, it's pink. But I see there's some gold, there's a lot of colors in there. I'm going to stick this in the lamp and I will be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Sorry for the long delay. I know it seems like seconds to you, but it's been a few minutes. All but the topper I think is good in one coat. Maybe the pink could use another coat. We'll take the pink one off, put another coat on her. These are really beautiful colors. Hope that translates well on camera. Whoops, wasn't in frame. I'm going to do the topper as well, the first one. Other than that, these are all one coaters. Whoops, wrong one. Top would be the second one. This is the first one. So this topper, let me see. Yeah, you could wear this all by itself in two coats. I hate how that pink nail is crooked. I can't fix it. I'm going to pop these in the lamp, and once again, I will be right back. Alright, we're back. One last and final. Oh, no. We got a top coat, so it's not one last and final time. That's the base coat. I'm also going to leave the Leaf Hue, or use the Leaf Hue Seal Light top coat. So I'm going to seal these baby. Oh, I can't get it open. Good old lotion. I got it. Shirts come in handy for something. So you're going to top coat each nail. Put in the lamp. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Cap the end of your nail. These I'm just going to talk through when they go to cure. Put your nice glossy top coat on your nails. Like I say, wipe one side of your brush off real well. I do like this black a lot. Love the blue too. don't know, this red kind of, it's going to wear on me, I think. Maybe at Christmas time I could wear the red. I think this blue is just stunning. I really do. And here we are to our pink. I don't know about the pink. It's not calling to me or anything. So, love the topper. This will be good for New Year's Eve. These are beautiful glitter colors that come in the bottle. Oh, I'm getting attacked by my own hair in the face. These, oh, I'm not in frame either. Get with it, Cherie. These are beautiful. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Pull these up. This one for $60. I will leave the link in the description box for these on Amazon. This is where I got these. I believe they were $16.99 for 6 wonderful bottles. Beautiful color. Great coverage. Can never complain about the coverage with Modelones. So there we go. We got our last ones in the lamp for right now. We got 30 seconds left to go. Please give a like. People are really lacking in that department, and I've heard a few channels talk about it, that they're going through the same thing I am. People come through, they don't click the like button at all. Like it don't matter to them, and it matters to the channel owner. It lets us know whether you like the video or not if you're not commenting. So please do comment. Please give me a like. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell. We also have a giveaway going on. I draw on the 28th of July. Look for the 2-year anniversary video. That's where you need to enter at. That's really pretty. Look at those. Those are just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very happy with these. We'll be using these, I can tell, in the future. Not sure about the pink one, though, like I say. Or the purple. Purple's my favorite color. But I don't know about this one. It is beautiful. This is my favorite, though. That and this one. The blue is just stunning. Well, I'm going to go for now. Have yourselves a blessed day. Where to put it, where to put it. Here's the collection. Thank you. Have a blessed day.